Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
What did you do yesterday?
I watched a movie. How about you?
I went for a walk in the park. What movie did you watch?
I watched the comedy. It was really funny.
Do you like comedies?
I do. Which part did you visit?
I went to Central Park. It's very nice there. I love Central Park. It's a great place to relax.
Yes, it is. Do you go there often? Do you have a favorite spot in the park?
I like the lake area. It's very peaceful.
I like that area too.
It's perfect for a quiet afternoon.
Yes, it is.
Well, it was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
Have a great day. Thanks.
You too.